Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Chaya Malviya, Associate Professor in English Department, Nehru Gram Bharati, deemed to be University, Allahabad. Today, I am going to give a lecture on poem The World is Too Much With Us. It is composed by William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth belonged 19th century and he is romantic poet also. The World is Too Much With Us is one among the best and most popular sonnet of Wordsworth. It was composed in 1806 and published in 1807. In this sonnet, the poet condemns the excessive interest of his countrymen in materialistic objects or money and their indifference to nature, who provides happiness to them. He condemned people to become blind to the beauty of nature and deaf to her music and message of peace. The purpose of this sonnet is didactic. The poet is trying to stimulate his readers to love nature and become less interested in the materialism of this world. This sonnet expresses poet's deep sense of sorrow at the people materialism or money-mindedness. The poet is of the view that this world of materialism or money-mindedness is unbearable to him. He criticizes that in this world of give and take, people are misusing their energies for mean purposes or gifts. He is sad to realize that people are not interested in nature who can make them her own. In other words, Wordsworth is of view that man is happiest when he is closest to nature. He considers that man and nature are closely related, but he is sad and angry because he realizes that people do not try to find kinship with nature and degrade their souls by selling it for money or physical comfort and pleasures. Wordsworth reminds us that nature has a beauty and significance which we should not miss. The poet presents two beautiful pictures of natures. He tries to draw the attention of his readers first by creating the picture of the moonlight falling upon the shores of sea, and then by the picture of the wind sleeping like the flowers with their petals closed. But the poet issues and expresses his grief because the people are indifferent to such beauties of nature scenery. The poem The World is Too Much With Us is a celebrated sonnet written by William Wordsworth. It is a Petrarchan sonnet. It is made up of two parts. The first part of the poem is of the 8th line. In the first part of the poem, the poet tells us that man has become money-minded and he is totally running after earning and spending of wealth. But he is not turning his attention towards the attraction of nature, which are the real sources of everlasting peace and happiness. Nature gives perfect education to develop man's mind and health. We have given our hearts away to worldly wealth, which is a pity thing. The sea rises towards the moon. It is a pretty sight. The winds blow day and night. Sometimes they become quite like sleeping flowers. It is also a pretty sight. But these things do not attract us. In the second part, the poet wishes to be a pagan of ancient time. Then he will able to see a god or goddesses ruling every part of nature. At noon he could see Proteus rising from the sea. He would also see Tristan blowing his conch to calm down the stormy sea. In his way, the poet inspires us to devote our consciousness towards nature because nature is made more useful than wealth. It develops man wholesomely. Thanks.